Are you going to do it sometime or what?
I would love to.
Well, I hauled 5 minutes ago.
Okay. I wasn't paying attention.
Well, it's typical. Everybody wears a white t-shirt on the Friday.
Here, then.
You don't wear white t-shirts on Fridays.
Dano.
Where's the camera? I'll take your picture. Please do that. Yeah. Please do that.
What are you talking about, Dan? This is about to go on YouTube.
Make sure you get one of them small ones.
You're not wearing socks on a Saturday either.
No, you're not supposed to.
You're probably driving a General Motors product.
Yes.
Government motors.
General Motors, yeah. Are those things made in China? Is that where they're from?
No, they're made in Canada.
Yeah, Canada, Japan. I guess that's a little bit better.
I thought General Motors stuff came from China now.
You know that country used to be called Ciendi? And they asked somebody, how do you spell that? They said C, eh? Eh?
Prepare to fire! Fire!
Woo!
That bounce and hit the fender.
You hit the ground 20 feet in front of the car.
Still hit it. Hit it right above the wheel.
Oh, that's awesome.
We got Bill.
Wait a minute. I got something in my mouth that makes it go boom.
That would help.
You got to frick it again?
Oh, I did look.
Are you sure?
He sure
He's
is.
losing his mind.
Oh, right around there.
Yeah.
Must have pulled another one out of the apron.
He's losing his mind. That's okay.
You must be hungry.
Get his age. Get the slack out of the string. Prepare to fire! Fire!
Yeah, buddy.
Bottom of the door.
Must have caught a spring too, because it sure dropped.
Nice shot, Bill.
Not bad. Not bad.
Just here, between the fingers. Tension.
Prepare to fire! Fire!
By a mile.
Round two.
Prepare to fire! Fire!
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, come up on the door. Yeah, I saw it too.
Nice.
Hey, you just need to go about a foot right.
Prepare to fire! Fire!
Right in the side in front of the rear wheel.
Yep.
Under the gas tank?
No,